I'm Chris. This is not my doing. So if we look over here, you can see that our neighbor had the tree cut. Whoever did it dumped these limbs in my side yard. So, what we have going on is, I filed a police report, and the police have given the man until Monday last week to come out here and take care of this before they issue citations. Here it is, Friday, Friday, March 9th, 2018. And the time he dumped these limbs in my yard were somewhere between December 1st and December 15th, when we were not here. We come back, and this is what we found. He dragged them through the street and put them in my yard. And now, we're going to use our own time and resources to take care of this. This video is solely...
It needs taking care of. That's ridiculous. That's stupid. That should not be there. Let's take a look at where exactly this is. Besides this being a drive-through alley, like, there's grass growing up over there now.
Yeah.
That's supposed to be this gravel over here.
My back porch is right here. These are the steps to my porch. As you can see, big ass tree in my way. Careful coming up, James.
Yep.
Alright. So it was raining one day, and my dog got out. No big deal, I just go get him, right? And I go to step down off of my porch over here, because the steps are obviously... And what happens?
This wasn't here, by the way.
That was not there. I just put that there. What happens is, I rolled my ankle out from under me. That's an emergency room visit, and that's incidental damages to the body because of somebody dumping in my side yard. Now, the police know who this person is. They've issued him a time frame, and now I'm going to issue him an ultimatum. Get it done in the next 24 hours, or I'm going to sue you for my time, resources, and energy.
Well,
I'm not cheap.
He's going to have to move what we break off of that because I need to use this space today. So we're going to do what we can to break it up and get this mess here out of the way and just pile it up over there. And then he's going to have a bunch of different sticks to move out of the way. But that's just stupid. Why? He's
Well,
licensed.
the police haven't given me his name.
Yeah. Well, that's what we're dealing with.
I'll talk to Hackworth tonight.
That's what we're dealing with.
Our local hero.
So somebody do something. If something's not done, something else is going to be done. That's just... He's a week late on legal obligation.
Yeah, the city and the police have told him he has to move it. So the next step is I'll get a lawyer, and you'll pay my legal fees too.
And pay us for doing the work that we do.
Have a nice day.